We have here at Hunter's Home a domestic treadle sewing machine, and I'm not sure the exact date of the machine, but we'll zoom in here. The last date is May, looks like 16th, 1876, and that's the last patent date. We have a manual that was in the drawer. This is an original manual, but it is not the right one for this machine. And it's pretty fragile. So I was able to download another manual that's more accurate. And this came from the Smithsonian Archives. Okay, this belt does not fit really well into this bobbin winder, so I'm going to have to help it a little bit, but you place the spindle in, and I'm going to have to hang on to this thread. I'm having some issues here with my historic footwear slipping on the treadle pedal. Okay, this is how to thread the machine. This is the tensioner. This is what keeps tension on it, and you loosen or tighten the tension by turning this screw. And I can't get a hold of the thread. Under here. Okay, let's turn the camera just a bit here. Now this is a seam gauge. I don't have this screw, but I could put it in here, and that would guide me to get the consistent seam allowance. Okay, to show you what I've just sewed, this was when the tension was too loose, and here I tightened it a bit, which helped. And then you can see on here, it's much better. By the time I got to the end, I had it adjusted just right. See, this is what happens when your tension is too loose. It just pulls the thread right out. The top looks good, but it's the bottom that's not right. So we can fiddle with it here a little bit. Loosen it just a tad. That's worse. So tighten it a bit. I need to get that out of my way before I get caught in my belt. Yeah, much better.